In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new Facebook account. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is go out to www.facebook.com, and you can see that I entered that in the address bar up here. I am recording this on Safari on a MacBook Pro, but it should show up the same regardless if you're using the Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, whichever internet browser you prefer to use. So when you go out to facebook.com, the first thing you're going to see is this screen if you haven't used this computer to log into an existing Facebook account, and you'll be able to log in to an account by entering the email address and the password up here, or you can go through and create a new account. So that's what we're going to do. So this form over here on the right hand side is where you're going to enter in your account information. So we'll just create a new user called John Smith and type in the email address. The email address is important because it's going to send you a confirmation email to make sure that you have access to that account. That is your email account, and there'll be a link that we'll go to confirm that that is an email account that we have access to. So enter a password, and from the drop down menu we'll go ahead and select our sex, which is male. We'll say we were born June 17th, say 1965. So when we click sign up, it's going to take us to this screen where we have to type in these funky looking letters and numbers. If they're hard to see, there is a little link up at the top right above it where it says try different words. So you can click on that and it'll give you a different set of words, and then just pick one that you can read and be able to type in there. So this one looks pretty good. So THINGR space INCIDEN, and we'll go ahead and click the sign up button, and this should now take us out to the next step, which is adding our friends to Facebook. So this page right here, if you have a Hotmail account, a Yahoo account, an AOL account, or other email service that you use, what this will do is you enter in your information and it will search your entire contact list or address book and go through and try to find users who are already using Facebook, and it will give you suggestions so that you can actually add them to your friends account on your Facebook profile. We're going to go ahead and skip this step by just clicking the skip this step link. The next step is filling out your profile info. Now this, as you can see here, this information will help you find your friends on Facebook. So the three things that we can type in are high school, college or university, and our current employer. And again, this just makes it a little easier for you to find classmates or people you work with that already have existing Facebook accounts. Again, I'm going to go ahead and skip this step. The third one is the profile picture. Now there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can upload your photo, or if you have a webcam attached to a laptop or plugged into your computer, you do have the option to go ahead and use the webcam if you want to take a picture right now and just use that as a temporary profile picture, because you can always change that later. We'll go ahead and skip this step 2. That way we actually get into seeing what our profile looks like. Now this is the profile, but before we go too far in here, I'm actually going to go into the email account that I set up there. So, oops. Okay. Okay, so this is the email account. You can see here that I have an email in my inbox, an email that says just one more step to get started on Facebook. So if we open this, let me see if I can open it in a full screen. This is the actual email that Facebook sent me when I first set up the account on that first page, and it's basically to complete this sign up process, please follow this link. So you should be able to click on this link in your email. If not, you can also copy and paste this link into your internet browser, and it'll go through and take you right out to the confirmation page. But here I should just be able to click on this, and then it'll open up in my browser, and it says you have successfully confirmed your email, and it takes us to our profile page. Now, the profile page is where you're going to go through and actually start setting up your profile. And as you can see here, we have upload a photo or take a photo with your webcam, like I was saying before. So if we go through and upload a photo, on the Mac it's a little bit different as far as the buttons and controls that you're going to use in order to upload a photo. So in another video where I actually go through and show you how to upload the photos, I'll go ahead and switch over to a Windows computer, so that it might be a little easier for you to follow for those of you who do not have Macs.